Hey everybody, I want to show you how I hang the ribbon swag. Right now they're just stored in my shop. They're clicked up against a piece of EMT up in my ceiling. I have metal plates on some wooden rafters that I'm going to use to just kind of give you an example of how these ribbon swag should be hung using the click system. Some of my plates, they all have like a layer of insulation on them, so the magnetism isn't all that great. Most of the time when you hang these, you're going to be hanging them in a cafeteria, in a gym, or some place that has drop ceilings where it's extremely easy just to click straight up to the ceiling. So I'm going to use this multi-mag 24-inch mag mover head, and since I don't have tall ceilings, I can get away with using this Magpole Mini. This is a really great Magpole that can get you up to 12 feet tall, and it's very lightweight compared to its big brothers. So I'm going to get one of these down, and then I'll show you how I hang them on the ceiling. And then okay, because I have lower ceilings, I don't have to use all four of these heads at once. But I'll show you as though I did have to use them if I'm going to be in a gym. So you could understand how using these Magpoles, especially with this head, will be very beneficial to you. So you're going to be at the end of you want to start at the end, one end of your ribbon swag. And this mag mover, all the mag movers have, see if it'll focus on, there's a groove right inside the top. You can see these little corkscrew doohickeys. This is the part that you hook onto the rings when you're taking these things off of the ceiling. In this case, I'm going to take the small ring. There are two rings on this. I'm going to take the small ring and I'm going to hook it into that groove of the Magpole. Then what I want to do is I want to find the next part, which should be about 5 feet away from the first magnet. And what I've done here is I've attached another click magnet to the line with some monofilament, and I am going to turn one of these heads so that the groove lines up parallel to the bar, to the entire thing, so it's easier for me to hook these on. Then what I would do is find the next section where there's a magnet, which should be another 5 feet away. And again, you're going to see a piece of monofilament on this one as well. I'm going to turn the head so that the groove lines up parallel to the rest of the mag mover. And then you can put the other one on the end. Now, if I was in a gym or some kind of event center that had drop ceilings, what I would do would be line one edge up on the end, and I would try to keep the other ones away from the ceiling, or away from the metal at least. And I would click this one in place, and then I would move out to another location, and I would do the same thing with this one, and then you go down the line for all your click magnets. But I want to show you here, just so you can kind of see a general idea of what I'm talking about. I love these things, and they're just as easy to take down. All you're going to do is turn one of these little screw guys. I like it to be, if I'm pushing pressure on this, that it's not going to untwist. If you do the one on this end and you put pressure on it, it'll start untwisting, and then it's going to be like it's a losing battle at that point. So put the corkscrew in such a way that when you put pressure on it, it's going to keep it tight, not loose. So, and then all you're going to do is hook the O-ring, and then you just pull them down one at a time. Easy peasy. That's how you hang these guys. They're super easy, and I think they're fun to make, and I like that they're very profitable. So if you guys go to make any of these, why don't you just let me know. I'd love to see your your ribbon swag. If you have any tips that you come up with that you find doing it a little different is helpful, let me know about that as well. So we'll see you guys later.
Join the Balloon Guild community for access to a growing library of balloon decor recipes, exclusive templates, webinars, and direct support from experts. Benefit from special discounts, members-only events, skill development opportunities, and a say in future content to elevate your business and expertise in the balloon decor industry. To join, visit theballoonguild.com now.